Now students, we have proved the result for sine of 3 theta. So let us see the result for cos of 3 theta. What is the result for cos 3 theta? It is that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, isn't it? Now to prove this result, again we are going to use the same procedure, that is cos 3 theta can be expressed as cos of theta plus 2 theta, isn't it? Now again this is of the form a plus b. So using the compound angle formulae, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. Similarly again we want to remove the terms of 2 theta as well as sin. So first one by one, cos theta, remove the terms of 2 theta. So cos 2 theta have result in terms of cos 2 cos squared theta minus 1 minus sin theta. We can't do anything here, so keep this term as it is. But for sin 2 theta, we can use the formula 2 sin theta into cos theta, isn't it? Therefore, E is equal to, carry out this multiplication, cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta, and these two multiple remains as it is, minus, because plus minus becomes minus, and 1 into cos theta minus sin theta, okay, and here these two sin theta, okay. Now see, carry out the multiplication here, sin theta into sin theta. Now 2 is multiple and sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta into cos theta remains as it is. Now E is equal to 2 cos cube theta and cos theta as it is, but for this sin square theta we can make a change, that is 1 minus cos square theta into cos theta, isn't it? Now E is equal to, again 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta and multiply by this minus 2 cos theta. So minus plus minus 2 into 1 2 into cos theta, that is 2 cos theta, and minus minus becomes plus 2 cos square theta into cos theta, that is 2 cos cube theta. So is equal to, collecting the terms of same indices. So here 2 cos cube theta plus 2 cos cube theta, that is 4 cos cube theta, and minus 1 cos theta and minus 2 cos theta, both have negative sign, and 1 plus 2 3 theta. So this is our required result, that is cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So it is too simple to prove this one, and try to solve or to prove independently by your own way again it. Now you can independently prove the result for tan of 3 theta, and here how to prove this one? Tan of 3 theta can be written as sin 3 theta upon cos 3 theta, isn't it? And the using results for sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Sin 3 theta is what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta upon cos 3 theta is equal to, here you have just seen the result, that is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, or in another way, that is tan of 3 theta can be written as, here tan of theta plus 2 theta, and theta plus 2 theta, that is a plus b, that is formula for tan a plus b, that is what? tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Again using the values of tan of 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Substituting these values, you will easily get the result for tan of 3 theta. What is the result for tan of 2 theta? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, and here 1 minus tan theta into tan of 2 theta, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Now carry out, similarize the denominator, you get cancel this term, okay, after the calculation, and you will have the required result. So to try to prove this one, it is so simple and so easy. So prove this one. Now let us see the example. Prove the following: 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan square theta. How we can prove this one? So to prove this result, first we have to see the result for multiple angles and submultiple angles. Okay. So what are the results there for multiple and submultiple angles? The results are, to prove these examples, now I want to tell you the results, and these results are, cos 2 theta is equal to what? Cos square theta minus sin square theta, isn't it? Or 2 cos square theta minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now how we can convert these results from this form to another form? How? So here, if the theta is of this form, cos theta, that is divide throughout by 2, then here we have to write this term as divide theta throughout by 2, isn't it? Here this 2 theta becomes theta, then this theta becomes theta by 2. Okay, these conversions are too important, and these conversions are known as submultiple angles, isn't it? So to see this one, for similarly sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so the same formula for sin theta can be written as sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, isn't it? Isn't it? So see this one. Okay, it is very essential to convert the formulas according to our requirement, as well as we can see here tan of 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. So if we divide the theta by 2, for that is submultiple angles, then we have to divide throughout. So here this term becomes 2 tan theta by 2, 1 minus 2 tan square theta by 2, isn't it? So these are the results for submultiple angles, and which are maybe proved further, but I want to tell here, because without this one we cannot solve the example which we want to solve it. And here cos 2 theta has result 2 cos square theta minus 1. This result can be written as cos 2 theta, shift that one to the LHS, minus become plus, and here we have 2 cos square theta, isn't it? Now this can be written as cos 2 theta plus 1 divided throughout by 2 and is equal to cos square theta. That is simply cos square theta is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Okay, this is the one conversion. Okay, and from the second result we have the another conversion, that is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 2. Remember these one, and again these formulas can be derived for submultiple angles also, that is cos square theta by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta, divide theta throughout by 2, and sin square theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, isn't it? So try to remember these one, and these are very simple conversions. Divide only or multiply only theta either by 2 or multiply either by 2 or 3 or 4, then you will get the result. So see these one. Okay, and in the next lecture we will try to solve the examples. So enjoy the